In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off notifications on Vestiaire Collective. If you've been receiving a barrage of notifications from Vestiaire Collective and you're looking to declutter your inbox, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, open your preferred web browser. Whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge, it doesn't matter. In the search bar, type Vestiaire Collective and press Enter. Typically, the official website should be at the top of your search results. Go ahead and click on that first result. It will take you to the home page of Vestiaire Collective. Once you're on the home page, look towards the upper right-hand corner of your screen. There you should see a button labeled Sign In. Click on it to proceed to the login page. Here you'll be prompted to enter your account credentials. Go ahead and fill in your username and password, then click the login button to access your account. Now that you're logged into your account, you should direct your attention again to the upper right-hand corner, where you'll find your profile icon. Click on this to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Account Settings. This selection will direct you to the section where you can manage various aspects of your account. In your account settings, you will find an option called Email Notifications. This is the area where you manage the notifications being sent to your email. Find this option, and once you do, you'll see an Edit button associated with it. Click this button, and you'll be taken to a screen with various notification options. Before you, there will be a list of boxes that represent different types of email notifications you might be receiving. To stop receiving all email notifications from Vestiaire Collective, you'll want to uncheck all these boxes. Take a moment to review them and make sure all are unchecked, ensuring no unwanted emails will make their way into your inbox. After you've unchecked all the boxes, you'll need to confirm the changes by clicking the Edit button again. This saves your new settings, and voila, no more notifications. You've successfully turned off email notifications, decluttering both your email inbox and your mind. Now you can browse Vestiaire Collective at your leisure, free from unnecessary pings and emails. Remember, you can always revisit the settings should you wish to reactivate specific notifications. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Have a great day.